Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz S63. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Everything here looks good. Let's move on to the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches at all. Now we're going to take a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to take a look at the driver door. This door is in excellent condition. No scratches here, no dents in here at all. Now we're going to move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks excellent. No scratches, no dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to have a look at the back of the car. Okay, the trunk looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches back here at all. And the back bumper looks good as well. So let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition. I do not see any scratches or dents here at all. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger door. This door looks perfect. I do not see any scratches or dents on here at all. Okay, and now we're going to look at the last fender and wheel. And this fender is in perfect condition. No scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. And we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's move on to the door panel. Excellent. I do not see any wear and tear here at all. Everything here looks perfect. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Okay, the seat is in excellent condition. Let's take a look at the door panel. Perfect. Everything here looks excellent. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup and 360 camera. Let's have a look at the center console and make sure that we do not have anywhere. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay.